Hey everybody, and welcome back to another cash envelope stuffing video. So today we're doing our last and final paycheck for May. So we're going to fill in our paycheck breakdown here, and then we are going to get started stuffing our envelopes here with all of the money and making sure all of our bills have what we need. So we're going to set all of this to the side and we're going to fill in our numbers. So first up, my husband's last check of the month was $732.98, and we didn't have any other. All right, so that is what we are working with for today. So as we go through making sure all these numbers are right, we are going to make sure our total equals what we budgeted to make sure we got everything we need. All right, so for the Mazda, we need 121. So we have 120 times 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 121. All right, so 601. Good. Rent is 120. 120 times 5 is 600. All right, groceries, we're putting 100, and 100 times 5 is 500, of course. All right, so power, we're doing 40. So 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. For Allstate, we are putting in, let's see, so we need 193. We're going to minus these numbers out, make sure we have what we need. All right, so 38, which is what I had, which equals the 193. For our phone bill, we need 26. All right, we're going to make sure this adds up to what we need. 138. Next up is gas. Gas needs 20, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Then we have spending, also all 20, so that will be 100. Next up is water, and water will need 16, so we have 16 times 5, which is 80. Perfect. Diapers is also 16, and same numbers, so 80. Charter, we have 14 times 5, which equals 70. So 14 is what we need. 70 is our total. Student loans, we need 11. So we have 11 times 3 plus 12 is 57. Perfect. Next up is miscellaneous, and it needs 10, which is 50. Then we have pest control, and pest control needs 7. So we have 7 times 3 plus 6 plus 6. It's 33. Oh, 33. All right. And then for our savings, we have 173 left over to go towards savings. We're going to add all these numbers up and make sure they equal the 732 here. All right, so 732. All right, so that is our paycheck breakdown for the last week of May. So now we're going to go ahead and pull out all of our cash and actually stuff our envelopes. We're going to set that to the side. So bring out our money. Got ones, 5s, some 10s, 20s, and 100s. All right, so there's that. We're going to bring out our envelopes. We're going to do it in 2 groups. First group, okay. All right, so for the Mazda, we needed 121. Our total should be 601. So, oh, nope. our total isn't going to be 601 because I've already paid half of it. So this will pay the other half for this month. So we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 51. So we have 251 that I'm going to put towards the car. And I've been doing like half payments with a little extra if I can afford it. So I'm probably going to take a little from savings and throw with this to pay on the car. Next up is rent, and rent needs 120. Now this one should have 600. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6. All right, so there's rent. Next up is groceries, and groceries has 500. Should have 500. So we've reduced this for next month to see if we can manage. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5. So 500 there. I've been looking up a lot of dump and go type meals, and hopefully that will help us throughout the month. For power, we are putting 40. So 20, 40. This one should have 200, which I have actually just got the power bill that we will pay next month, and it is like less than 130. So we've got more than we need for this. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So 200. And the leftover of this, I have a envelope in here in our sinking funds at the back for utilities. So anything that is left over will go in here. That way if a bill gets higher than what we expect or something comes up unexpectedly for utilities, we can pull it from here. So that is what I'm doing with the extra money from there. All right, so there's power. Next up is car insurance, and we've got to put 38. So 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this one, we should have 193. All right, so let's see. So it's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, and 93. So perfect. 193 for that one. We have AT&T, and we're adding 26. So 25, 26. $20, $40, $60, $80, $100, 1, 2, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we are short by $10. So we're going to take $10 from savings and add it in here and recount and make sure that is correct. All right. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 1, 2, 3, 35, 6, 7, 8. So 138. All right, so phone bills taken care of. Next up is gas, and we are putting in 20. This one should have 100 for the month. We have 20, 40, 60, 81. Next up is our spending, and it should also have 100, so we need to add a 20. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81. All right, so there's spending. Pull out our next little group here. All right, next up is water, and we're putting 16 in here to make it a total of 80 for our water bill. All right, so now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, $79.80. All right. So now we have, so for water we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Perfect. Next up is diapers, and we need 16 in this one to make it 80 as well. So 16. All right. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Perfect. Next up is charter, and charter we need to put 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so in total we should have 70 for charter. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Fabulous. All right, for student loans we need to add 11. So 11. All right, so for student loans there should be 57 here. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57. Yay. And all of this is still going towards principal because there's a 0 interest on student loans, so I'm excited for that. $10 for miscellaneous. All right, so now we have 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50, which is right. All right, for pest control, we need 7. So 5, 6, 7. All right, and this should equal 33 now. So we have 25, 30, 31, 32, and 33. All right, last up is savings, and what's left here should be 163 because we took 10 to fix a bill that was messed up somehow. So this should be 163. So we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to add that to our savings envelope here that I will be depositing into our savings account. All right, so let's see. All right, so we're going to count this and see how much we have just from our savings from our paychecks for this month. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 70, 90, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $786 just from our savings, cutting back a few of our expenses that we've had, and like really focusing on savings. So that is a lot of money just from savings, and it also helps with a 5-week period, so it doesn't have as much needing to come out. But this will all get deposited into our savings account, and we will start over next month with seeing how much we can put towards our savings, which is awesome. So now we have all of our bills and expenses ready to go for June, which means I can pay every single one of these bills on the first week of June and not have to worry about it. So it's really exciting. I hope that y'all enjoy watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel down below and give me a big old thumbs up. I can't wait to see y'all in my next video, and I will catch y'all later. Bye bye now.